Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this desk lamp that this brand sent to me for this video, which I have to say that this lamp could be really good for a couple scenarios. I'm going to show it to you how it works in a few seconds. But first of all, well, I don't know why my cat is here, but she's having a good time. But first, I want to show you that you can either put the base, which is kind of like a heavy base, I have to say, and it comes with, let me see if you can see it right here. It comes with this kind of like rubber pad, so it won't damage your furniture. The good thing about the base is that it also comes with right here on the centerpiece, you will find a place for your drink, for example. You can put a mug, you can put a like a glass of water or something like that. So that's gonna be really cool with the base. And you can see that it's fully articulated. You can just like twist it to the sides, right, left, left, right, up, down. Again, I'm gonna show this one to you in a close-up in a few seconds. But if you don't have enough room, you can also set up a clamp, which I think it is really cool because you can just set up the lamp right here and put it like on the edge of your desk, and just like clamp it, and this thing won't move at all. Also, it comes with 3 colors, like 3 temperature colors. Everything is managed right here with this cable. You can check it out. Off, on, I don't know what's going on with my cat. And then you have kind of like the cozy yellow, the cold white, and the super cold white, as well as you can dim the lights if you also want. I'm gonna turn off the lights right now so you can see this one better. But remember, 24 watts, fully articulated, clamp or base, both are good. Okay, so check this out. You can just put this one any angle you want. You can actually do this. So that's going to be really cool in case that you want to do something like a pointing down or pointing up. You can just adjust this one on the sides as well. You can just do this. You can do that. That's actually pretty cool how much you can articulate this lamp over here. You can put it in this mode. You can put it like super close to whatever you need to do. Like if you're working on like a small project or something like that with small pieces, you can do it as well. So as you can see with the base or the clamp, this is going to work perfectly. Of course, it's going to be really bright. And if not, remember, you have the different colors as well. Everything you can cycle with this one or just these 3 colors. I do like this one for like reading or working. I like it. This lamp could be one of the good ones. I do recommend it.